I'm shook.
I just had the craziest day of my life. That was absolutely insane. Hi, I'm Zoe, I'm 19, and I love makeup. And I just met James Charles. So I decided to go to the grand opening of the Morphe store in Schaumburg, Illinois, and it was super exciting, super fun. I didn't get a meet and greet pass, so I didn't expect to be able to meet James. Being in that crowd was probably one of the most terrifying things ever. That was scary. But long story short, I got this. So I received both the James Charles and Morphe palette and his brush collection, so the whole sister collection, for free, and just as a gift from Morphe and from James, and it was absolutely insane. And you guys don't even know what the tea is. I'm gonna tell you the tea, but first I'm gonna get into this makeup because I really want to open it and I'm very excited. The PR package comes like this, with this hologram of James's face in this huge box. And in this box, we both have the James Charles palette and his brush collection. So I'm gonna pull out the brush collection because we're gonna get to the palette. We're gonna get to her. Did I come on screen without highlighter? Pause. Okay, it's getting toasty in here. The brush kit! Okay, so this brush kit comes with 34 brushes and a Morphe sponge. And here we go. It is absolutely amazing, I think, that James included duplicates of all the eye brushes in this brush set, because I am somebody who is a hoarder, and once I decide I like an eye brush, well, Nelly, I'll buy just that eye brush. I think I'm gonna have a new favorite because this brush right here that James himself crafted, the M456, just looks like the absolutely perfect size to get right into the crease and the place colors and to be able to blend them together, but also be able to do detail work. I'm sure there's a clean one in here. I should have just used a clean. This one's mine. The M433. This is the proclaimed baby sister of this little baby, and I love this so much. This is so good. This is gonna be my favorite brush. I can just tell you right now. I'm gonna have to order 20. Gonna have to order 20. I love Morphe brushes. I think they're such good quality and they're such like affordable prices for makeup brushes, because some of these brush companies out here really think that I have the money to pay $400 for a 25-piece brush set, and it's just not gonna happen. I just don't know on what world who has the coin. But also James's video goes into detail about each brush and why he decided to put them in the collection, so you should go watch that if you want to know more about this. Are we ready to move on to the bad boy? The bad boy, I'm gonna do swatches. So this is the Morphe x James Charles palette, and oh my god, this is absolutely amazing. I think it's crazy that somebody who's my age, because I'm also 19, was able to do something this big. It just astounds me, and I think this is an absolutely amazing collaboration, and I'm so proud of James, and I'm so glad that Morphe was willing to work with him on creating this palette, because frankly, this right here, I haven't tried it yet. I haven't even touched it. I'm gonna touch it for the first time on camera, but based on the color selection and based on the story and design on this is exactly the palette that I would have made too. Another thing, I'm so glad that this palette is black with it's matte black with the glossy words on it, because I am messy and I loved my Jaclyn Hill palette. And you can tell that I loved my Jaclyn Hill palette because it looks very dirty and distressed. And the fact that this is black means I'll have a harder time getting it disgusting. Again, another congratulations to James, and a thank you to him for giving me this collection personally. And I'll get in that story as I do my makeup. But let's get into some swatches. Let's touch this bad boy. So first off, we have the little sheet with all of the names of each shadow. Unlike the Jaclyn Hill palette, the names are not on the back of the palette, which I kind of wish they were, but I do like, I like that the back is clear and you can't see anything on it. Like it looks very sleek and well designed. You know what a good idea would have been? I wish these were stickers. I wish all of these were tiny stickers, and you could stick them, like if you could stick them into the palette, like right under there, because I understand the appeal of not having any names here. It makes it a little less cluttered, but I might try to turn these into stickers. Is that a good idea? Okay, but here she is in all of her glory. She says on the top, unleash your inner artist.
Unleash your inner artist.
I feel like the Top to Roses palette could replace the 35O, could replace my Modern Renaissance palette from Anastasia. This is really, or Soft Glam. These shades over here remind me a ton of Anastasia Soft Glam. I think this is amazing. But here's what I'm excited about. Here's what my rainbow loving self is excited for. These boys right here. I'm gonna swatch these bad boys. Right off the bat, I can tell that these are really soft and good quality shimmers. They don't feel overwhelmingly like calcy. Like they don't feel like they've got a ton of filler, but my are they pretty. Oh my god. James, you might have done that. You really might have done that. I'm not even gonna swatch the rest. I'm not gonna do it. Okay, so first I'm gonna use the M456, and I think that I'm gonna go right into this color here, which I know is called B. If you can do a good yellow eyeshadow, you've really done yourself. And first of all, I dipped the brush into that maybe 3 times, and that's a lot of pigment. Oh, wow. Oh, okay, let's get into story time. Let's get into how I got this palette and this collection to begin with, because you might be wondering, how does this nobody with less than 2,000 followers on Instagram and a brand new YouTube channel get a PR box from Morphe? And I'd be wondering the same thing. I went to the grand opening of the new Morphe store, and they were promoting James's palette, and as a way to promote his palette, James was there himself, which was super cool. And people got to go in and do an actual meet and greet, and everybody seemed so happy and everyone was so nice, and I met so many amazing people in line. Found it. I'm gonna take this M456 and I'm gonna go right into this pink color. Whoa! It's blowing me away with how much pigment is in this. Okay, back to the story. I was in line for about 4 hours. He said that he had to leave at 2, and it was already like 3:30, and I just really wanted to get in the store so I could buy this palette, so I could buy not 1 but 2 for a giveaway that I'm gonna do at the end of this video. So stay tuned to the end of this video if you want to see the details for this giveaway. We're just getting towards the front of the line. We're getting so close. There are about like 50 people in front of me, which sounds like a lot of people, but there were thousands of people here. So we're getting to the close. We could see the front of the store finally, and I look at this Morphe employee. I said, "I love your coat," and he looks at me and he goes, "I love your makeup. Come with me." And so he takes me against the line and takes me out of it. He and a ton of Morphe employees are like walking with me, and they're like, "Isn't that crazy that we all picked the same girl?" And I was like, "What are you talking about? Like, what do you mean you all picked the same girl?" really blend those colors together, and that is seamless. Wow. Wow. Okay. And they take me into the Morphe store, and they ask me to like take my phone out so I can take a video of this, and I was like, my phone's completely dead. I've been here for so many hours, and there was no place to charge it while I was in line. Oh, so, okay, we'll take a video of it and send it to you, because you're gonna want to remember this. And I was like, okay, that's very exciting. I have no clue what's going on. So I wait there for like a minute, and James Charles comes from the back room of the Morphe store, and it's just like, hi, and he's carrying this PR box, and I'm sure I looked like an absolute idiot here. And he's holding the box, and he says hi to me, and he says this like really nice speech for a little bit about I like had the talent and the artistry that this palette was supposed to represent, and they wanted to give me the sister collection to like try out and to use and to just be an artist with. My heart absolutely stopped. I think I told James that I was like sharding because I was just losing my mind. I'm just very, very, very grateful that something like this happened, because I feel like this is kind of the stuff that only happens in people's dreams, you know? That like out of thousands of people, they spotted me and they liked what I was doing, and they thought that I could really represent what this whole palette was about. And I don't know. I always thought that James and I's art styles were very, very similar. I love full face. I love face paint. I love doing like very bold artistic choices with my makeup, because I think it's a brilliant way to not just like make yourself look beautiful, but to like really appreciate that you are art. I'm gonna cut my crease with the Morphe concealer. This is in the shade Macchiato. I'm gonna go in with the shade You're Kidding. You're kidding. I mean, you're kidding. I'm out for dead fucking presidents to represent. Alright, I'm going to toss a lash on and I'll be right back. If anybody was wondering, these are Dodo Lashes D105s, and they're amazing lashes, and they're only like $5. Get some money off if you use code Zoe Donamira. But anyway, I think this palette is absolutely amazing, and I don't know, I'm just so grateful for James and for Morphe and for them picking me to just receive this palette, and I'm grateful to all of you guys who are watching this video. I promise I'll make new videos to come. Let me know what you want to see in the comments. But as a big thank you to you guys and to just all the people who support me, I want to give away one of these. I really love this palette, and I love what it stands for, and I love, love, love supporting my fellow creators. So I'm going to give one of you guys the chance to unleash your inner artist. So all you have to do to enter this giveaway is to leave me a comment. Each comment is one entry. I want you to tell me what you would do with this palette. You can enter however many times you want, but you also have to be subscribed and like this video. And I think that's pretty much it. So thank you for watching this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye.